I can't penetrate a bullet. Second floor. Opposite side. That's me opening the gramophone.
Who's behind me?
Fuck me.
Burning my body?
Yeah, I can't do much about that. I have a crossbow. Nice.
Go back here.
Nice. Someone's in here.
Poison on his body as well.
Nice. Picked up a bounty so he knows where I am.
Nice.
Nice. One more.
Got close.
Got a
line.
shotgun.
I have a shotgun.
Fuck. He's, he's gonna res his friend.
Oh, it's the hackers. It's the hackers.
How are they in this game already?
No idea.
Fuck me. Didn't hit.
Look, get him. Get him.
Oh my god.
Before they
Didn't hit.
res. Get him before they res the other.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Poison on that side. There's poison there. You should go back and fight him. Alright,
Nice.
Is that their boyfriend still here though?
Yep.
yeah, he's
Two people.
behind the line.
Yeah. Yeah. He wasn't. He was just sitting there.
He took my shotgun.
Yep. Oh, they all had the same fucking skin. That's why. Bruh. Cause fuck, I didn't know they all had.
How do you save again? Control.